Hello, and welcome to our series all about Wix invoices. Today, we're going to dive into creating a tax report. By the way, Wix recommends you consult with an accountant about the taxes you collected from customers as well as other tax obligations. Anyway, with that out of the way, let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to Getting Paid and then go to Invoices. Click on More Actions, and below it, select View Reports. Under the tax summary option, select Create Report. Set the date range of the report you want to see here on the date range field. So select your start date and select your end date. On the revenue dropdown, select a report type. Accrual basis will display data on all sent invoices on the specified date range. Cash basis, on the other hand, will display data on paid invoices on the specified date range. So feel free to select which report you need. Once you're done, you should see the report right over here. You can then export it as a CSV file, or you can print it directly to obtain a physical copy. And that's it. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit like and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.